strum it out. Oh, you need to take your fingers and run them all through my strings. Strum it out, strum it out, strum it out. You can play in the key of love.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another video, guys. If you're new to my channel, hit the like button, make sure y'all share, and hit the subscribe button and join the family. So guys, I am doing a review on 𝒏𝒋𝒒, y'all. So I got this unit and I wanted to share with all the little goodies I got in the box. I didn't just get a unit, I got some goodies like these little lashes that came in. 𝒏𝒋𝒒 got a lash line also, y'all. So I'm definitely gonna put these on, and then let's get into the unit that I got. This is a 6x4 HD lace wig, and guess what? It is pre-plucked, okay? I also received this little band so you can lay your edges down. So if y'all not good at doing edges and doing the baby hairs, this unit might be good for you. I also got me some HD stocking caps, okay? So let's get into these lashes, and I'm gonna pop them on. I just like the box. The box was just so girly. I got the little glitter on it, and y'all, now this unit right here is already pre-plucked. So if you the type of girl that don't like doing edges, you don't want to be cutting the lace and all that, honey, this is for you. And it felt so good. Like, that human hair felt so good, y'all. I liked it because it was already pre-cut. The invisible knots was already done, honey. So I'm gonna pop these lashes on, because y'all know lashes bring out your features and your face, honey. You gotta get some lashes on. So I'm gonna put these little bad boys on. I'm gonna pop on my glue, let it dry, and I'm gonna put them on. First of all, they look really, really natural, and they felt really, really light on my eyes. So I'm going to give these lashes a number 10, honey, all the way, because they felt so good. And it didn't take me no time to pop them on, okay? So as I was putting the lashes on, I put my band on to lay my edges down in the front, y'all. Now, I ain't do much to the front. I trimmed the lace a little bit. That's all. But what I like about it, honey, this thing is just to go, okay? So if you that type of girl that gotta go to work in the morning and you don't feel like doing your hair, this is the wig for you. If you that type of girl that gotta run errands on the weekends, this wig is for you, honey. I am so in love with this unit, y'all. Click the link and grab yours today. You're gonna be, and look at the inside of the parts, honey. It is invisible, so it looks just like your hair. Like, I could part it and you could see like my scalp, girl. Look at that. 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 Girl, I'm going to be rocking this unit because I just feel like I could just get up and go, honey, and look cute and all that stuff. And I just feel like my hair. Okay. So, 𝒏𝒋𝒒, y'all did y'all thing with this. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for rocking with your girl. I will be doing some more reviews on these wigs, y'all. But this one was too cute. It's just bobbing, y'all. Love y'all. Bye.